Lenders are allowing appraisal waivers on refinance and purchase transactions, but only on certain terms. And today, I'll break appraisal waivers all the way down. Roll the intro. The mortgage appraisal is one of the key pieces to getting real estate financing. But on some occasions, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac will allow for the appraisal to be waived. But first, before jumping into all that, I'm Damien L.Grant, a licensed mortgage advisor, and today you'll learn all you need to know on appraisal waivers. One of the steps to getting the underwriter's approval is the appraisal, because the lender wants to make sure the home is worth what they're lending on it. Now, in some transactions, you can skip the appraisal, but only if it's a less riskier loan to the lender and some other factors to qualify for an appraisal waiver. Now, the first thing to understand is the appraisal determines the home's value and is conducted by a licensed professional appraiser who gives an unbiased opinion of value by evaluating a home's design, condition, features, and comparable sales in the same area of the home. Appraisals are usually a part of the home buying or refinance process, so that the lender can determine the LTV, which is the loan to value ratio, before lending on the property. To watch a video I did on appraisals and loan to value ratio, click the links in the description below. So exactly what is an appraisal waiver? Depending on which automated underwriting system is being used, Fannie Mae calls an appraisal waiver a property inspection waiver, and Freddie Mac Loan Prospector Advisor calls an appraisal waiver an ACE, which stands for an automated collateral evaluation. And these are mortgage loans being underwritten without an appraisal on the property. For these loans, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac accepts the value submitted by the lender based on past and current data estimated about the value of the property instead of depending on the appraisal. Both government-sponsored entities, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, said appraisal waivers speed up loan originations and save borrower costs. And United Wholesale Mortgage recently quoted that 67% of their loans delivered to Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac didn't have an appraisal. So here's how to try for a property inspection waiver if your loan is being underwritten through Fannie Mae Desktop Underwriter and meets this criteria. It's a one-unit property or a condo. It's a primary residence and can be a second home or an investment property. And if the property is in a high-needs rural area for purchases only, a property inspection report must be submitted, and the LTV and combined LTV has to stay under certain ratios. Then appraisal waivers may be granted on no cash out refinances, on a primary and second home up to 90% loan to value ratio, and up to 75% on investment properties. And for cash out, up to 70% loan to value ratio, and second homes up to 60% LTV. And for a primary purchase transaction or second home purchases, the loan to value ratio starts at 80%. That means putting down 20% or more. And for investment purchases, the LTV starts at 75%, meaning 25% down or more to be eligible. Now, for Freddie Mac's automated collateral evaluation or ACE eligibility, qualifying for an appraisal waiver is similar to Fannie Mae. The property must be a one-unit property or condo, also has to be a primary residence or second home to be eligible for an ACE. No investment properties are eligible for an ACE. So now you understand appraisal waivers, but what about applying for a mortgage? I've written a 10-step guide on the do's and don'ts before you apply. Make sure to download that guide in the link in the description below. Now, if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe, share it with your family and friends. Comment below on how helpful you found this video and what your biggest takeaways were. I look forward to receiving your feedback and give you some responses as well. I'll see you on the next video, and thanks for watching.